English vocabulary. Happy feeling or showing pleasure and contentment. 1. I feel happy when I visit my friends. 2. Her happy laughter. Friend, a person whom one knows, likes, and trusts. 1. Tom is my best friend, we work together every day. 2. Friends help each other when they are sad. Jump, propel oneself off the ground with one's feet, spring into the air. 1. I can jump high like a rabbit. 2. Let's see who can jump the farthest. Colorful, having bright colors, lively and vibrant. 1. The flowers in the garden are so colorful. 2. We used colorful paints to create a beautiful picture. Big, of considerable size, extent, or intensity. 1. Elephants are big animals. 2. My big sister helps me with my homework. Kind, having a gentle and friendly nature. 1. It's important to be kind to others. 2. The teacher is always kind and helpful. Fast, moving or able to move quickly. 1. The cheetah is a fast animal. 2. I can run very fast in a race. Quiet, making little or no noise, silent. 1. The library is a quiet place to read. 2. At night, the world becomes quiet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and watch more videos like this.